The latest Samsung Galaxy J7 was unveiled in Europe just over a month ago, and since then AT&T has started selling its own Galaxy J7 2017, with specs and styling much more akin to the J7V released for Verizon in March. In fact, the outward appearance of the phone shows that this is the same phone but with slightly tweaked internals. The J7 actually has many variants, all in the mid-range field. This particular one seems to blend elements from Verizon's J7V, released in March, and the unlocked 2016 Galaxy J7, which was released in April of last year. Selling for $240 off contract, AT&T's new J7 2017 has a lot of competition. This price and configuration lands it in the company of the higher-spec 2016 J7, Motorola's consistent and reliable G series, and even some solidly spec Chinese brands, like the well-received Honor 6X. Leaving aside screen size, the iPhone SE also competes in this price range. So, does this mix-and-match remix offer enough of Samsung's flair and capability to win out decisively over these highly competitive, unlocked, and AT&T-friendly mid-rangers? Design. Plainly put, it looks like a Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Samsung has certainly shown strength and innovation in designing flagships like the Galaxy S8, so we know they're more than capable in this area. Unfortunately, little, if any innovation has gone into the design of their mid-rangers, up to this point. At face value, the J7 looks a lot like a Galaxy Note 2, minus some sensors, a nearly 5-year-old phone. The large metallic Samsung lettering and silver earpiece grille combine with the also silver, non-backlit haptic buttons, and silver bezel surrounding the home button, which lacks a fingerprint scanner, altogether giving this phone an aged look, evoking a throwback to Samsung's days of plastic smartphones with silver plastic accents. Fortunately, the silver accents end there, as rubberized plastic coats the edges and backing of the phone. In back is a lone horizontal metal stripe, about a ½ inch wide, which encompasses the 8MP camera and single LED flash, neither of which is raised from the backing. On the right side, you'll find the phone's metal speaker grille, also encased in the metal stripe. Although an unusual placement, it's one we didn't mind, as we never found ourselves covering it, and projecting the sound forward is always a plus. Lower down on the right side, you'll find the very clicky, even loud, lock button, placed exactly where it should be for accessibility. The similarly loud and clicky volume rocker on the left side, however, is slightly higher on the edge of the phone, requiring you to inch your fingers up the side to access it when using the phone with one hand. Looks aside, the thick rounded edges coupled with the intermediate 159-gram weight, lend the J7 to a solid in-hand feel. Thinner large-screen phones can often feel slippery in the hand, but the thicker, curved edges at least afford this handset a better grip.